Hey, Tim here. I ain't made a video in forever. I dang I've been doing good. I've been feeling good. I dang feel kind of guilty. I feel like it ain't even been 6 months since she passed, but don't get me wrong, things still come in, but I've been restless. I've been trying to figure out things to do. I've been sticking with my routines, eating right, working out, reading, writing. Like I say, I've been restless. I've been getting out a lot more. I can't see. I keep going to racetracks and stuff, and they get rained out. But I'll keep working on it. I'm gonna find some more things to do. Um, Biggest thing is I dang been keeping busy. I guess I always say action is law. I dang keeping stuff going, and I'm trying to find things to excite me, because that seems like if I get excited about doing something, then I can go forth and work on it and get ready to do it and look forward to it. Don't get me wrong. Now I ain't completely over. I mean, I'm lonely as hell. Sometimes I hear songs or see something and reminds me of things and cracks me up. But like I say, I'm still pushing forward on myself. Like I say, this weekend, 4th of July, kind of excited. I'm gonna go to Augusta up there with my daughter and stuff, and 2 grandkids and her husband. I'm gonna park out front and have them run me a drop cord, and so I've been working on the RV. I'm gonna get that baby going, cleaned up, or anyway, it's been running damn good. But I worked on the freaking might have to tighten this hat. I worked on the running lights and stuff. I'm gonna get her cleaned up, pack some things. I don't know how this camera, I just got this camera. Looks like I need to tighten my hat a little bit. I was working on these running lights, and got to that middle one. Boy, I lost all my damn lights, running lights, not on the RV. And I read up on it or whatever. Had a loose ground in the back here. Luckily, I stumbled upon it real quick. But like I say, I've been keeping busy. Found a place for my damn stereo. I've been beating myself in the head. Had it running from them batteries back there all the way to the front. Had it sitting down in there, and I got it up in there so I can hear it better. I like my music blaring, especially running around by myself all the damn time. But I'm gonna get some gear around. I'm gonna pick up my hopefully, if their mama lets them, she usually does, pick up my freaking grandson and granddaughter early Saturday morning, and I'm gonna go out there and spend the day and the night. Probably load up the dog too. But like I say, man, just keep busy. I ain't made a video in a long time, because like I say, by the time I get done my routines and start working on things, I don't know, I just been having a hard time getting in front of the camera. But I am keeping the ball going. I'm staying up and up. The 22nd would have been our 40th wedding anniversary. We were 5 months shy of that before she passed away, but it didn't go too bad. I mean, I had a couple thoughts about it while I was doing it, but while I was going through, but like I say, I just keep them busy. I want this would be hell if I was broke. If I didn't have money coming in, and if I owed on this land, if I owed on, if I had a new car. I love driving them old beaters and stuff. Now, don't get me wrong. Now, I've rented new cars, and I understand, you're all sealed in there, and you're flying like a bat out of hell. The trip goes quicker, it seemed like. I did get a speeding ticket in a rental because I didn't realize I was going so fast. Drove all that way to Texas so fast. And then I got in town. I was going through a school zone. Whoop, whoop. Man, that thing cost me over $500. if not 6, I forget. It's been years ago. But if I hadn't worked myself out of debt all these years, I'd be in big trouble now. Because like I say, I'm all alone. I'm damn lonely as hell. I don't know, man. Keep your chin up. I've been on things, man. I've had a couple days where I was wore out and I just called it a day early. After all my things now, I've been keeping up on my damn rituals, man. If you damn consistency, working out and all that stuff, I'm starting to feel it. Cause I started a whole new routine I seen online. I'm about a month into that and I kind of changed it up a little bit, working out wise. But it was kind of like hard to get into, but now it's like I look forward to it in the mornings and stuff. But I've been staying out every day. I'm gonna make another ebook. I got that ebook down below, man. That'll get you some real estate going. Start on that, man. It's a basic way to build an ebook. No fluff. You can build an ebook, a course, whatever. It's free. It says $3 donation. Just put 0 in there. And I got another book, Discipline is Freedom, or Freedom is Discipline. Guys, one way or the other. I ain't really been pushing them. I just kind of made them for something to do, something to learn. Because that damn learning thing, I'm telling you, Bo. But I am gonna try some more ebooks. I'm gonna try some new things. I got some ideas on things, but I get so busy, and by the end of the day, I'm just like, I need to quit spending so much time in front of that damn idiot box, because that's taking up a lot of my time, man. If I had all the time I put on that damn TV, I'd be flying like hell, Bo. I guess that's it. Till next time. Stay sharp, stay hungry, keep your nose clean, and oh nobody. That's living, baby.
Doctor, there's nothing I can do. The problem is that obesity runs in my family.
No, Bobby, the problem is that nobody runs in your family.